Mark lived in one of the nicer high-rise elevated buildings on Eastern Parkway with a view past Lincoln Terrace all the way out to Jamaica Bay, one of the most magnificent real estate places to live in. And I lived in this three-bedroom, three-floor walk-up on St. John's Place, with the courtyard was a courtyard with the cats running around the middle and garbage cans that I would take out to the front when there was garbage collection. So anyway, Mark and I became friends. He was in my Hebrew school, and we were in the SP together, but he had a brain that said about life. His mother and father must have taught him about life much more than my parents could, about culture, about society. Mm-hmm. We'd go over to the trains and go up to the museums and go to art theaters where they had special cartoons. And I remember seeing more modernistic cartoons beyond Walt Disney. Very interesting. And we'd go up from Brooklyn, we'd take the train up to the Bronx Zoo and the Bronx Botanical Gardens. Yeah. Of course, we always had Prospect Park and the Brooklyn Botanical Gardens and the Brooklyn Museum. We did all these things. And my life was opened up beyond St. John's Place and the storefronts and playing punch ball. I could never play punch ball, so I never even bothered.